Is it dangerous to hold in a sneeze? Yes, actually. And the reasons are kind of terrifying. A sneeze expels air at up to 100 miles per hour. That's a lot of pressure. When you block your nose and mouth, all that force has to go somewhere. So where can it go? Into your ears, potentially rupturing your eardrum. Into your eyes, bursting blood vessels. It can even strain your throat, damage your vocal cords, or in rare cases, crack a rib, or even cause brain bleeding from the pressure spike. The best thing to do is just let it out. Sneeze into your elbow or a tissue if you're worried about spreading germs. Your body wants to sneeze for a reason, so don't fight it. Follow for more helpful health facts.